Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
In your article in Back to Godhead about Marx, you call him what is that?
Nonsense.
A nonsense. You call him Marx is nonsense.
Yeah. What is this philosophy? Dialectic.
Dialectic materialism.
So we have written on dialectic spiritualism. Hardcoded.
Yes. He read it to us. He's preaching, I think, in Eastern Europe sometimes. We got a report. Has he written you?
Yes, I heard that. But is he doing all right or not?
From the report, it appears that he goes occasionally into some Eastern European countries. Mostly he's concentrating in England, Germany, and Scandinavia. He has a party, and they're doing speaking engagements and distributing books. And sometimes he went in which countries?
Hungary.
Czechoslovakia.
Hungary.
Did he go? Do you know this?
He went to, I think he was going to Budapest University.
Yeah, he's going to some communist European country.
They've made their vans with false bottoms, and they hide the books underneath. So at the border, they do not see. Underneath the van is all your books. When they get in the country, then they distribute the books to these students.
Revolution.
Doing very nice.
Sometimes he said when he's speaking, the translator will not say what he is saying.
Sometimes he forgets them. Usually he speaks very carefully, guarded words. But once or twice he says, he starts speaking, direct Krishna consciousness, and the translator looks at him and won't translate it into the local language. Sometimes he forgets himself and starts speaking about Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and the translator suddenly looks at him. Usually he covers everything.
He has done a good job.
He's a fifth person. Very intelligent.
So in this way, you are all intelligent, you can plan. The aim is how to push books. That is first consideration. In Bhagavad it is very figuratively described that we have got this body and the different parts. Just like Arjuna is sitting on the chariot. There is chariot driver, there are horses, reins, the wheel, and the arrow and the bow. They have been figuratively. So this can be used for killing the enemies of this consciousness, and then give up all this paraphernalia, chariot, wheel. Just like after fighting, owning victory, then you give it up. And so long this body is there, the mind is there, the senses are there, so utilize it for conquering over this material existence, and then give up your body and go back.
Does a devotee, just like you're always enthusing us to push
That
forward.
is sharpening your weapons. That is how to describe. By serving the spiritual master, you keep your weapon always sharp. And then take help from Krishna. The words of spiritual master sharpen weapon. And Jasya Prasadat Bhagavat, and the spiritual master is happy, then Krishna immediately becomes happy. He gives you strength. Suppose you have got a sword, sharpening sword, but if you have no strength, what will you do with the sword? Krishna will give you the strength how to fight and kill the enemies. Everything is discussed. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Guru Krishna Kripa. Make your weapon sharpen by the instruction of the spiritual master, and then Krishna will give you strength, he will be able to conquer. This figurative explanation, I think, last night I given. There is a verse. Achyuta bala. Achyuta is Krishna Krishna. We are soldiers of Krishna, servant of Arjuna. Simply we have to act accordingly, then we finish our enemies. They have no power, although their number is 100 times. Just like Kurus and the Pandavas. They have no power. Jatta Yogeshwara Krishna. You keep Krishna in your side, then everything will be done. Tatra Sri Vijaya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.